Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to engine swap a Chrysler 300. First, understand that an engine swap is a significant undertaking, requiring careful planning and mechanical expertise. You will need to assess your current engine's condition and determine if a swap is truly the best solution. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, from initial planning to the final test drive, ensuring you have a clear roadmap for success. Careful planning is crucial for a successful engine swap. Begin by thoroughly researching potential donor engines, considering factors like horsepower, torque, and overall reliability. You'll need to account for the cost of the engine itself, plus any necessary adapters, custom parts, and fluids. Always prioritize safety by having the right equipment, including an engine hoist capable of handling several hundred pounds and secure jack stands. The physical swap involves several critical steps. First, meticulously disconnect and label every component attached to the old engine, including wiring, fuel lines, and exhaust. Use an engine hoist to safely lift out the old unit. Before installing the new engine, take time to clean the engine bay and address any rust or worn components. Then, carefully lower the new engine into place, ensuring all mounts align perfectly. After the new engine is securely in place, the final steps are crucial for success. Reconnect all systems, paying close attention to every wire and hose. Fill the engine with fresh oil, coolant, and power steering fluid. Before the first start, perform a comprehensive visual inspection, ensuring everything is tight and secure. When you turn the key, listen carefully for any unusual sounds and be prepared to shut it down if anything seems amiss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.